Today we're going to be checking out the Smart Book cover for the Galaxy Tab S9 and the S9 FE. If you didn't know this already, the Galaxy Tab S9 accessories all are compatible with the S9 FE. If you're wondering what is this that I got on my cover, it's actually an El Cheapo that I bought, and people were saying, why don't you check out the official one? And I thought, you know what? That's a great idea. Let's do that. So let's check it out. Firstly, this is aftermarket, by the way. I added this thing for a shoot, MagSafe type magnet. But this is a really cool cover. These are generally a lot cheaper. The Samsung official OEM products are a lot more expensive, but there's a lot more benefits with this one than there are with most of the El Cheapos that you get. This is the Galaxy Tab S9, S9 5G, S9 FE, and S9 FE 5G. I've got the S9 FE 5G. A lot of people are picking up the S9 FE and the 5G because there are a lot of good prices and good discounts happening at the moment. So let's get inside and see what's inside the box. Excellent. I've been really keen to check this out. In South Africa, we don't get the white one, and I really wanted to check out the white one, but this is the one we've got. And I guess I've got like the black tablet, which is cool. This cardboard box has just got whatever, nothing of value in it. All right, okay. So this is the this is the back of it. It's got this very interesting like enclosure for your S Pen to keep it there, and then it clicks back in. You can either take it out, remove it if you want to, or if you want to keep it. I generally like to keep those because losing an S Pen, the consequences are high. This is basically like the cover for one of this El Cheapo guy, and then there is the bottom of this. Let's just check this out. So if we put so obviously this fits perfectly with that, and then it literally is like a book cover. So you can use this front part of the cover without the back if you don't want to, but if you want to use the back, you just literally, it's like fits like that, I guess. Do you have to put it on first like that, or does it? It doesn't seem to fit perfectly. Oh, I guess it's fine. It's doing its job. And then here's the magic trick. This part pops out like this. So just like these El Cheapos, it's got this origami thing. It's got a very easy to access tab. Oh, it's much better quality, significantly. Oh, feel that. There's a magnet over here. That is so nice. So with it, get rid of this piece of paper. You prop it up like this. Right? Oh, this is so nice. This is infinitely better than the El Cheapo. I got that off Temu. Horrible mistake. I'm going to link this, by the way, in the bio. So if you, by the way, if you find this video helpful at all, if you found it helpful right now, please hit the like button. It does help this video out a lot. So that is one orientation, like this. So you can do it like portrait mode. And then oh yeah, there we go. Just portrait mode, pop it up like that, be able to like operate your tablet like this. I wonder what drawing is going to be like with this. Oh, it's so nice. It really is. I can't stress to you. This is the quality. I thought the quality of this was decent, but it's not. It's like the texture's junk. It's not as sturdy as firm. This feels firm. Like this is like, you can look, it's firm. It's great. And let's stick this back on. One of the other orientations that I've seen, which has been really cool, is it? Oh wait, I'm putting this on the wrong side. There we go. One of the orientations that I've seen that is very cool is people use it like, you can prop it up like this. Does this origami? Oh, this does. Wow, the magnets are so strong. Oh, there. Just use this tab as a guide. Oh, look at that. So there's no variable, like variable angle, but the angle is perfect for like pulling out a keyboard and typing. You basically have a little computer going over here. Then let's take out this. So to get your S Pen, it's super easy. Like you just pop that and you get it, right? That's why I like having that cover there kind of permanently. Yeah, that's excellent. Then you can see if I can, what the drawing is like with this on here. I don't like this drawing angle at all. This is not for drawing. No. I don't know if there is an orientation that is worth drawing. Oh yeah, and then if you've got a keyboard, like you can pop this out for use with the keyboard as well. So you've got a nice little soft mat for yourself. And then this is for lap use. So you could probably just prop this, and it's sturdy, hey? Like it doesn't, you might not think because it's on only on one side, it is sturdy. It's probably those magnets. Watching Netflix on your lap or whatever the case is, this is rad. I'm extremely impressed. And then let's see what if I pop this off, this takes, oh, there we go. If I pop this little case off, right? And I have this pen here, the S Pen Archer. Ah, it's too nude for me, man. Like, I really feel like we're gonna lose this. No, if you want to elevate your tablet, this is it. This is it. This is trash, man. I thought this was so cool. This is it. This is the one. Obviously, if you want the keyboard case as well, that's like a different story, but I use a USB, not a USB, I use a Bluetooth keyboard. So this is a quality cover. Look at that. Wow, great. I mean, I expect nothing less. I love these OEM originals. So this is the Samsung Smart Book cover. Look how thin it is. Look at this. It's great. This is a great piece of accessory for your tablet. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And if you want to help out at all, check out the affiliate links in the description. This will link you straight to this one, and you'll get the white one as well if it's available in your region as well through that link. So go check that out. I'll see you in another video. If you want to see a video, by the way, of the review of the tablet, which I'm very impressed with, you can go check that out. I'm going to put it on screen. I'll see you in that video. Cheers.